we want to lead and persuade all leaders also to reconcile with the truth and the reality. Because even as we reconcile with God and men, we also need to reconcile with the truth. The truth of the matter is that William Ruto is the President of the Republic of Kenya. Let everybody also, as we reconcile with God and with men, start by reconciling with the truth. I was very impressed the other day to see the women rep of Nairobi, Honorable Pasaris, reconciling with the truth in Nairobi that 70% of the people she leads live in the slums. And it would not be wise for her as a leader to oppose a program that is going to remove the people she leads from the slums to dignity. We are therefore asking everybody, as we reconcile with God and with men, let us also reconcile with truth and reality. Your Excellency, when we were seated there, you were a bit concerned ya kwamba hawa waliongea hapa wameumiza Kimani Ichungwah kidogo. But Your Excellency, you and I also need to reconcile with Kimani Ichungwah because he has not been very nice to us. You know, Kimani Ichungwah was in Alliance High School. Anytime we have an occasion and he's given an opportunity to speak, because the President and I were in some schools who many people don't want to mention or think about, he tries to intimidate the President and I, despite the fact that we are seniors, that he was in Alliance High School. Lakini sasa wewe ndugu yangu Kimani Ichungwah, hata kama ulikuwa Alliance na mimi sikuwa huko, uniheshimu kidogo. Kwa sababu